Welcome to MountainBea. Today we start our adventure in Kullu, a lovely town in Himachal Pradesh. This is where our journey to explore some hidden gems begins.
Naggar, just 22 kilometers away from Kullu town. It's just 50 minutes drive, but from Delhi it's almost 500 kilometers and it would take around 10 to 12 hours. But along the way, the natural scenic beauty, the beautiful villages would charm your heart. So here we are at Naggar Castle. Was built in 15th century by Raja Sid Singh. Now it's an heritage hotel. The scenic beauty and the panoramic views always make it a must-visit place. So if you are visiting Naggar, must visit Naggar Castle.
Next we visit the Krishna Temple. Just a short drive from the castle, this ancient temple has beautiful carvings and a calm, peaceful vibe. It's a perfect spot to relax and appreciate the local culture. Our next stop is Jana Waterfall, tucked away in the forest. This waterfall is a hidden gem. The sound of the water and the lush green surrounding make it perfect place to unwind.
After exploring, head towards Kesar Villa in Naggar. This peaceful property is surrounded by long pine trees and beautiful apple orchard, offering a calm and serene environment with a touch of local Himachali charm. It's a perfect place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty.
Kesar Villa is more than just a place to stay. It's a retreat where you can enjoy the quiet beauty of the mountains and the local culture.
Explore the unseen, experience the unheard. This is MountainBea. It's late in the evening. We have been shooting in Naggar with some hidden parts of Naggar. As you know, we are working on a series of exploring hidden parts of Himachal Pradesh. So stay tuned, subscribe for more.